Hello everybody, Shelly here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would absolutely love it if you guys hit the little subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified before you leave. Let me back up here. I have a palette and I don't know where it is. And it was exactly where I thought it was going to be. This is the Colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette. This is not a new palette. This is an old palette and it is gorgeous. It's so pretty. You've got several different sort of purpley colors, several nudes, a bronze, a pop of orange. This is a fun palette and I don't play with this enough just because, you know, there's too many palettes. Anyway, I knew I liked the quality. I knew that this was super popular a year or two ago, two years ago. I got an email from Colored Raine and they'd said, hey, we have these mystery bundles. And I've liked mystery bundles. I've had really good luck with them in the past. So I decided to order the Colored Raine mystery bundle. It comes in a box. It's not like a box within a box. It is bubble wrapped. Let's see what I added to the collection that is from Colored Raine. First thing on here is a Flawless Perfecting Sponge. I'm guessing this is like a beauty blender type thing. Are you guys too close? If I scoot back, then you're too dark, right? Okay, we'll just stay here. Oh, it's yellow. Feels soft. I probably shouldn't open it because I have other sponges that I'm using right now, but it feels soft. I'll be curious to see how big it gets. I haven't heard anything about their sponges. Another Flawless Perfecting Sponge. Are they both Flawless Perfecting? Yeah, they both say Flawless Perfecting Sponge. If this one's yellow in a yellow box, I'm guessing this might be green. Let's see. Let's see. This is fun. These beauty sponges, oh yeah, it is green. These can be kind of expensive. These are pretty soft, and I think they're a good size. Oh, this one's got like a flat, do they both have like a flat side on them and a pointy and then a nice like bouncing side? It's the bouncing side. You know, the bouncing side, right? Okay, the next thing on here is, it's like a lucite box with several different things in it. It doesn't say what's in it. Okay, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. It almost looks like there's more sponges. This is such a nice, like, gift wrapped thing for somebody. Okay. Oh yeah. So we have two more sponges, a red one and a green one. They're marbled. And then looks like these little, what are these little pucks here? Flawless Sponge Cleaner. And there's two little sponge cleaners in here. That's kind of cool. It all fits in this little jar. That's awesome. Actually, that makes me super happy. So far I've got like 4 facial sponges and 2 cleanery thingies. I think they're called soaps. They're like soap. Okay, and now I've got a whole bunch of boxes of stuff. So let's go through some of these. First one says Colored Raine X Power Highlighter and Blush Duo. Kind of a nice packaging. So it's got the cardboard sleeve and nice little size package. Oh yeah, those are generous. Right, like that's a bold pink and a really pretty highlighter. I get a little nervous for colors that are this vibrant, but I think if you do a little and not do like the over abuse of blush like I like to do, let me grab a clean brush here. I'm gonna probably regret this, but we're gonna put a little bit of this on here. Oh yeah, and it is super pigmented. So that's gonna be a little goes a long way. I didn't go back into it, but I might as well try to balance things out a little bit here. I was told years ago that this kind of like bright fuchsia is the color of blush that I should wear. And I don't remember if that was just like a trend thing or what. Let's not leave well enough alone. Let's go ahead and grab that highlighter. Highlighter looks awfully pretty. Kind of a champagne-y color. Oh yeah, you can see that. Again, I'm gonna say a little goes a long way, but wow, that's kind of pretty. I didn't mean to be doing a try-on with this, but as I'm digging into it, I'm like, hey, I think if you're not careful, you're gonna either see texture or maybe it could be a little kind of gray cast to it. I'm going over it with my damp beauty blender just to try to press it into the skin a little bit. It doesn't need to be quite so blinding. I'm not going anywhere, so anyway, what colors are these? That says it's Damage Control. I don't know why I find that appropriate. It's just called a winter mystery bag. I want to think it was maybe 25 bucks, $29, something like that. Okay, the next thing is the Focal Point. This is a Glow Lighters Focal Point. So again, another highlighter. They do say that they're vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, talc-free. What did Wayne Goss call it recently? Fun-free? Chocolate-free, sugar-free, tasteless. He's hilarious. I like him. I like his videos. They're very matter of fact normally. Packaging is nice. You know what this reminds me of? The Manda Kadar Mana Kadar. This reminds me of the Mana Kadar packaging. Oh, okay, so that is not a highlighter for me. This is in the shade Bourgeois. Focal Point Glow Lighters Bourgeois Pressed Highlighter. I'm not seeing this as a highlighter. It is super buttery soft though. This to me looks like a eyeshadow. That is a pretty color and it's a pretty eyeshadow. I don't know that it's a highlighter for someone with my complexion. Now, Colored Raine, but I believe they are a Black-owned beauty brand. I've said this before, I think maybe in a Juvia's Place video, or maybe Pat McGrath, I'm not really sure. Don't really care the color of your skin if you're the CEO, the creator, the founder. I don't choose brands based on the color of someone's skin, their religious, their sexual orientation, their any of those things. I don't really care about that so much as I care, do you have a good product? And maybe that makes me part of the problem. Okay, and I got 4 of these. I think they say that they're liquid glitter toppers. And I've got the shades Indictment, Conspiracy, Rico, and Connect. Let's look. Let's look and see what shades these are. Got my tweezers. Tweezers are good for like getting into these little flaps. I don't know. Pro tip for somebody who's not a makeup artist and not a professional YouTuber and none of those things. Okay. Oh, okay. So this one is what shade? This is the shade Rico, and it is pretty much as glitter as you can get. It is clear with silver glitters. It'd be kind of cute on cheekbones for holidays or something, you know? Collarbones, cheekbones. Okay, the next one is another glitter topper in Indictment. Oh, and that's a purple glitter. Okay, this is fun. I don't really ever wear glitters like this. That almost might be pretty as a almost as a lip topper if you do like those super dark. My husband calls them sex club colors, but we've never been to sex clubs. I don't know how he knows that. The next one is Conspiracy. Probably TMI, huh? You guys like this? That I give you guys all this information. Okay, Conspiracy is blue. It could be pretty too, especially up against brown eyes. That has some different kind of flecks in it. I feel like this might have green and gold flecks in it too. I don't know. And I am still kind of going through this sinus congestion thing. Okay, and the last one is called Connect, and it's like a gold glitter. So actually some pretty good shades. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm not somebody who's going to go out and buy glitter toppers anyway. But if I needed one, I mean, wow, you could literally put that on, you know, a cheekbone maybe, or a collarbone. They're suspended glitter, so I don't know that I'd put them on a lid. Maybe on a lip. You see those really editorial lip looks. I've got like 5 more products here to show you from this little mystery bundle. Okay, 2 of these are in the same type of packaging. One's blue and one's purple. One of them's called, it's a lip gloss in Prom Night and a lip gloss in Blueprint. You know what? Testing things going outside of the norm here. Okay, so this is a lip gloss. You know what? I would actually wear that. It's super iridescent. I mean, it almost looks like it has a blue and purple reflect in it. Putting it on, when we first put it on, I was like, oh, is that gonna be too dark? And then I don't think it's too dark at all. Actually really like it. That's pleasantly surprised, you guys. The other one's called Blueprint. It's also a lip gloss. This is a blue lip gloss. I don't know. Oh, and that's really, really bold. Okay, you guys, this is fun. This is fun. Oh, it is a blue lip gloss. Wow. You know what? Maybe I need to do a face full of makeup that I would not leave the house in. Blue lip gloss, maybe one of them. Okay, and then it looks like I've got some eyeshadow singles here. I have a Z palette, but I think it's full. You know what? I need to buy another Z palette. Okay, this one is called Paradise Isle, and it's a really kind of pretty teal blue. I'm gonna try to hold it still in here. Isn't that kind of pretty? And the next one is called Sea Breeze. This is the second one called Sea Breeze. Kind of a light blue, but it looks like it's more of a matte, whereas Paradise Isle was more of a shimmer. The third shade is called Gingerbread, and it looks like a perfectly fine neutral. I can see making some looks with these here. Okay, you guys, so to do a little recap of what I got in my Colored Raine bundle. My Colored Raine winter mystery bundle, $20. I did pay $5.95 for shipping, still under 26 bucks, and I got 4 beauty blenders and 2 cleaners, if you count all these together. I got a highlighter and blush duo. I got 4 glitter toppers. Another, they're calling it a highlighter, but I'm saying this is an eyeshadow. If I call this an eyeshadow, along with 3 other single eyeshadows, and then 2 lip glosses. None of these were things that I had because frankly the only Colored Raine product I had was the Queen of Hearts palette, which I've never filmed with. Let me know if you want me to do 3 looks with this. Super fun, a little bit kind of pushing the envelope. I'm excited about the sponges. Blue/purple lip gloss. I don't know about that one. That might be, I do follow a gal on Instagram, Glitter Pidge, and she would absolutely wear that. If I hadn't already swiped it, I would just send it to her, but I've already swatched it on the back of my hand, and I'm not gonna do that to you guys. That's it. Colored Raine. If you're interested in these beauty bundle, mystery bundle unboxes, I think they're super fun. I've done a couple of them. I did Pure Cosmetics. I'll try to remember to link the video, or link the videos. I did 3 from Pure Cosmetics. I think the bundles are super fun. You just never know what you're gonna get. And for under 26 bucks, including shipping for all this stuff, the sponges alone are worth it for me. And the little cute little container, I will use that. And it goes along with other little containers that I have. All right, you guys, I hope you were doing really, really well, and I'm a little nervous for what 2021 has to offer. But it's exciting, good stuff. I gotta go fix a nail. I did these Model 1's nail, the polygel nails, and I broke this one. I'm not gonna show you guys by flipping you off, but the whole end of it just snapped off. So I gotta go fix that and get the swatches off my hands. I hope you guys are doing really well, and until my next video, bye for now.